Hi, I'm Letter, and today, from Object Overload, and today I'm going to pull the fire alarm on April Fool's Day. Whatever you do, please do not try this at your school. Looks like we're having a fire drill. Let's evacuate the building. One minute later. Letter from Object Overload! You're in big trouble! I'm sorry. RNKP 765. Pulling the fire alarm is extremely dangerous. Why would you do that? April Fools! Hey, what are you doing? Are you going to yell at me? Please don't. I'm really sorry. Please, I'm really sorry.
Object Overload. That was not funny. You could get arrested. I'm going barely about this. Calm now.
When Leiter got home, I have an Object Overload! How dare you! How dare you pull the fire alarm! Are you high or something? You know that can get you arrested. That's it. You're grounded until you die. Go you now.